Trying to spread manure today, guys, in the rain. And I just looked up by the barn and got the pigs loose. I guess when it started to rain, they escaped. And if you look up there, Jake is right there. He says, he's looking at them pigs. Holy jeez. I haven't spread manure in quite a while. So I'm baby free today, unfortunately. So while I'm baby free, I just wanted to get stuff done. Wendy wanted to keep her this morning for some reason. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate it.